This is a 2021 Harley Davidson CVO Ultra Limited. This is Harley Davidson's top of the line Ultra Limited touring bike. These babies come loaded with just about every bit of Harley Davidson's custom equipment. Standard. The color of this CVO is bronze armor, which is a very light metallic. You may be able to see it here in the picture, with a black factory finish. This bike is in like new condition, has only 3,013 original miles on the odometer. Just an absolutely beautiful bike. Now, being the 21 CVO model, it comes equipped with the 117 cubic inch Milwaukee-8 engine, mated to a 6-speed transmission. As you can see, the exhaust on this bike is not black and it's not chrome. It's kind of a bronze stainless finish that looks really, really good. A great contrast. And the mufflers are the same color. Six-gallon tank. The console and fuel door are blacked out. CVO fuel door. It has black bezels around all the gauges. Has the GTS boom stereo, which is AM, FM, weather band. You can Bluetooth your tunes into this system. Has navigation. This bike has the RDRS system in it, which has several different variations of traction control and ABS braking. Also has the tire pressure monitor system and the hill start control. Has custom CVO mirrors, custom grips that are heated, custom CVO seat, has custom CVO stitching, matching backrest. The seat is heated. It has dual controls for you and your passenger, and the custom CVO key fobs with the central locking. Just a great color on this bike. Nice custom Harley floorboards for the CVO, matching brake pedal, passenger floorboard, all in the kind of bronze stainless brush look. Of course, the highway pegs. Comes standard with the Harley wind splitter windshield, nice CVO windshield trim, blacked out headlights, driving light, turn signals. The bottom half of the front forks are the bronze brush stainless. Nice custom CVO wheels. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. They dress these bikes up just incredible. Just an absolutely gorgeous bike. There's your controls for the heated seats. The stereo system has been upgraded, 75 watt per channel, upgraded speakers. if you're in the market for a top-of-the-line CVO touring bike, check out this 21 that we have available. Now you could go out and pay $53,000 for a brand new one, or you could save yourself about $16,000 and roll out on this like new 21 that has only 3,000 miles. We've actually got this bike priced just about the same as if you went out to buy a brand new 23 standard ultra limited that was bone stock. You would probably pay more for that than you will this CVO. Now we don't charge any mystery fees, dealer fees, and all that hooey. Our prices are out the door. So give Will a call at 417-343-3696, or you can look us up on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.